Here's a quick tour of the Italian large leaf basil that I grew this season. We are now approaching mid-September, and as you can see, the basil is pretty tall. Now it is focusing all of its energy into self-preservation, into flowering, producing seeds, and little to no energy into growing leaves. If you have your own tips or methods on what to do with all of your basil at the end of your season, please leave a comment and remember to like and subscribe. Okay, so here we are after harvesting just a very small fraction of all the basil that's outside there in the garden. I just quickly snipped it with a good pair of scissors, kitchen scissors, and now we go through the task of plucking off each leaf and putting it in a colander, pat it dry, and get it ready for the pesto. She loves me? She loves me not. Almost lost it. Whoop. Whoop. This is definitely going to go over. So, you know what's inside it. Wish there were a faster way of doing this. If you know the faster way, please let me know in the comments. After rinsing the basil, gently pat it dry. I'm going to try doing this in the bullet instead of using a blender because I think it might make this task go faster, and I have lots of basil left. For this, I need my glasses because I have to measure. Another tip about the basil is basil's not very forgiving. What I mean by that is the leaves bruise easily. Where you pinch them or you pull them off, or if you're too rough with them when you're trying to dry them off, they can start to turn black or bruised. So here goes. All right, so a half a cup of toasted pine nuts. I can't touch them right now because they're still hot, but what I can do is put in some extra virgin olive oil. I like single source. Don't go at all for the blends that come from different countries or different olive groves because they're stored in these giant vats and who knows how long they've been sitting there, and then they go into a truck and by the time they get to you, you have no clue what's been added to it, how old it is. Ooh, spilled some. Just don't want to miss out on this delicious flavor. Not to mention the per ounce price of pinoli or pine nuts is quite expensive. There we go. Okay, now we need a half a cup of olive oil. Okay, so in goes the oil. We also need, I guess, an eighth to a quarter teaspoon of salt. Boom. All right. Beautiful. I bought these wonderful silicone trays that hold half a cup or 1 cup in each of these portioned out sections. And there's even a leveler in there for you. Look, baby food. Boy, this is daunting. This is no good. No good. It chewed it up so much it looks like baby food. For a long time now, I've only been eating one meal a day. I wasn't doing it for any particular reason, but now I found out that it's actually healthy for you. It's called intermittent fasting. So I'll keep it up. Looks like I have to use some more leaves and maybe a different method. If you know of a different method, let me know in the comments, please. Much easier. These are beautiful, portioned out, frozen blocks of the freshest pesto. And best of all, it's homemade. So there you have it. Please share your own ideas in the comments section, and thank you for watching.